Hi, welcome to the channel, and today I have something really important in my hand, which is the Huion Ink. This is an e-ink tablet and the technical term is Huion EB011, and this is a very lightweight and snappy e-ink tablet, and this might be the most important thing I have in my travel bag right now. Alright, if you know about the e-ink tablets, you use them for writing, reading, taking notes, but I know what you're thinking, you can do all that in your iPad. Right? Actually, no, you cannot, because iPad is an entertainment device, unlike this one, which is a focus device. iPad is definitely heavier than this one, and it dies every 4-5 hours. This one can stay up to 25 days without charging on standby. If you even have an iPad, just be honest, it must be consumed by your children to watch cartoons, right? That's why you need something for yourself, something more personal, something which aligns with your tasks, with your goals. And this was specifically built to take you away from all the nonsense. No social media ads, no notifications, no pings. It's just you and your thoughts. Just imagine, you are on a mountain trekking trip and you have this device with you and you are sipping your hot coffee while reading your favorite books on your Kindle application. Magical. Nice. Inside the box you get the tablet, the pen, a USB-C to Type-A cable, and a premium folio case. Let me tell you, I never used that folio case because it's very bulky and it basically beats the basic function of this tablet, which is being lightweight. Not going to use the folio case ever. Holding it, you can feel the quality. It's thinner and smaller than my iPad Pro with a sturdy gray and silver finish. It looks like a serious no-nonsense tool. The layout is pretty simple. Power sleep button at the top. At the bottom, you've got your USB-C port and surprisingly, 2 speakers. Yes, it definitely comes with 2 speakers and you can use them for listening to your voice notes or to the audiobooks in Audible application. You can also go to the browser and listen music from YouTube, but why would you do that? Because the video is not going to buffer quickly because it's an e-ink reader and the speakers are not built for listening to good music. It's like playing AAA games in your MacBook Pro when you already have a PlayStation. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage, which is expandable via micro SD slot. But the real star is the HD e-ink display itself. If you are new to e-ink, here is why it's a game changer. Number 1, extreme battery. It only uses power when the image changes. You could pull the battery out. Basically you can't, but suppose if you can pull the battery out and the image would stay on the screen. It lasts forever. Number 2, eye comfort. There is no backlit flickering into your eyes. It feels like a physical book. Number 3, the sunlight king. Unlike your phone, the brighter the sun, the brighter this looks. And because this is an e-ink tablet, the refreshing screen might look a little bit different. It's because the e-ink technology works that way. But if you want to fasten up the process, you can definitely switch on to the fast mode or the top speed mode for quicker refresh. Okay, if you're not a Kindle reader and you want to transfer your books or your PDFs to your device locally, then you will have to do the Wi-Fi book transfer. And to do the Wi-Fi book transfer, you just need to scan the QR code and then transfer it to your tablet. So it has an inbuilt browser as well, which lets you surf the internet, and from there you can also download your PDFs if you wish to. This is a pre-production unit. It has a built-in app market, which is like an app store. I have already downloaded Kindle and Audible. A future update will fully unlock the Google Play Store, which will open the gates for Gmail, Google Drive and other Google services, and definitely Microsoft services as well. Alright, if I talk about this very pen, this is definitely a massive upgrade from the previous version of the Huion Ink. This is definitely snappier, faster, more accurate, and it also gets an eraser option at the back. Flip your pen and erase, and you're done. I wake up every morning at 6 a.m. I try to, and then I pick this up and I take my notes very quickly and I put it on my magnetic stand. This is not magnetic though, but I have attached this aftermarket magnetic ring, and the display stays on throughout the day because the battery life is incredible. I just put it on my desk and keep on checking my daily tasks. I am coming back to the note application, which gives you multiple options of pens, brushes, highlighters with multiple thickness options, also erasers, lasso tool for eraser, and it also helps you, pick a particular part of your note and reposition it, resize it, and that's all you can do in the Notes app itself. It's pretty robust. You will not see any colors on this particular device, but you can definitely do a screen mirroring to an Android TV because this system is running on Android 11, and you will see all the colors popping up on the TV. It handles PDFs perfectly. You can sign letters, highlight text, or use split mode to take notes on one side while reading on the other. For my fellow comic and graphic novel fans, the Kindle Read by Panel feature looks incredible on this. So this tablet comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. But the idea is not staying connected to the internet or the outer world. The idea is to stay connected to your work, to your goals. Write, read, plan, and stay in charge of your mind. Would you use something like this as your daily note-taking product for your reading, for writing your journals? And would you swap your iPad for this? I wouldn't, because I use Netflix on my iPad, which I can't do on this one. So this is going to stay on my desk for the more productive tasks. All right, this is it for this video, and this is the Huion Ink, the EB011. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want to know more about this product, you can hit the comment section and tag your questions. Ciao.